the driver's side and passenger side pipes to the muffler are on with these ball joint connections right here. These are a little bit, they can be a challenge, let's put it that way. So what I found here, especially here on the driver's side, I found most successfully is that I had the clamp on as loose as it possibly could be, but still have the bolt into the nut here on the mid pipe side. So then I slid this pipe up and I pulled this over onto the connector pipe to the muffler. And I found, especially here on the passenger side, it was much easier to do it that way, and it slid right on okay. The driver's side gave me a little bit of trouble to get it to fit in. We got it worked out, but it took a little bit of trouble to get on. And the same trick likely would have been better. I kind of learned the trick as I went, and it likely would have been better here on the driver's side if I'd learned that trick first. So I had it here on the mid-pipe side, slid it over because I held this up, because the pipe that goes to the muffler has a flange on it that goes around this mid-pipe. So it goes around, and then this ball clamp goes over the top of both of them. So make sure that you slide it on, and it avoids the challenge because it is so tight that if you're trying to drive the bolt up through and into the nut and hold the clamp at the same time, it's really a challenge and takes about 6 hands to do it. So we've got these mid clamps on, like I mentioned, and so let me describe this here really quickly. So what I did is I slid this clamp. I had both of these loose, and I would slid it onto these pipes. I lined the pipe up with the exhaust, and then I slid it on both sides, and it slides all the way up to the weld right here. And then you tighten them down thoroughly. This will also orient your muffler, because you'll feel like maybe your muffler tips are not quite oriented quite right. So keeping all your connections loose to get all of your orientation right, it's not loose, but snug, is important, because you want to make sure your muffler tips are in the right orientation and the pipe has the right kind of clearance and all of that. So now everything is tight now because I've tightened everything down. I've oriented and tightened down, but I want to show you. So our clamps from the smaller pipes to the exhaust are on and tight, and these are 15 millimeter in this case. As we slide down, we're going to look at our ball clamps. These are oriented with the nut to the inside in both cases, and these are now tightened to 30 nanometers or Newton meters. Excuse me. I always want to say nanometers, but it's Newton. So I've got a torque wrench, and so these are tightened down correctly to the correct tension. As I come down the body,